Hello, how are you? This is Mega here, and I want to take you through how to load or import an Excel sheet or a text file with geocodes to Global Mapper and later on export this to shapefiles. So I will open my Global Mapper here. I just want to unload everything so that we have a clear window and start afresh. So this is Global Mapper, and for you to load your data, you have to open your data files. This being a comma delimited file, I will go to File over here, Open Generic Text File, and then I'm gonna navigate to my folder, which is in Documents. I'm gonna go to my Work folder, and I'll select this 875 CSV, or this is my text file. Click on it, open, and this window pops up. Import type, I will click on point only, all features are points. Coordinate order, make sure you start with your nothings, the Y, which is the nothings. Um, Coordinate layout, I'll stick with the defaults. Then I'm gonna go to the coordinate delimiter, which will be a comma, and let's read through this coordinate layout. If I key in 1 here, that means it's going to omit column 1. Let's stick to the default here, and then I'll click on OK. And we need to set a projection for our data because right now the projection of this file is unknown. So I'll click OK, go to the selection projection window. The projection type will be a UTM, universal transverse marketer. The zone will be zone 37 south. So I'll navigate to 37 southern hemisphere. My datum will be WGS 84. Planar units will be in meters. Elevation will be in meters. I'm gonna click OK. And these are my points. So I'll have to convert these points to shapefile. I'll right click and I'll go to my layer, then export layer to new file. Over here we have different formats. So I will select shapefile and click OK. What does it say? All data will be exported using currently selected projection. I'll click OK. And then we export our points to a folder and give a name. It will be test points. I'll save these and also read through these. What does it say here? Split export based on do not. I'll stick to the defaults. I'll click OK. So I will unload my CSV here and bring in my shapefiles. Open data files. navigate to the folder, and this is my shapefile, test points. Open this, and here we have my points. So I can monkey around with these and label the points. If I double click, I'll go to labels. I'm gonna use attribute number 2, stick to the default here, apply. Okay, these are my buildings, these are other points that are picked on the ground. Still monkey around here and double click on the shapefile. I want to play around with the points so that I have them randomly colored. So I will assign random colors to the features, and I would use the attribute number 2. I'm gonna apply. Hey, look what we have here. These are different codes. You can also perform analysis on these points. So I will right click and go to analysis. What do we have here? We could work with the density or a heat map, probably do a hotspot. So I will click on density. This comes up, and then I will work with the elevation and see what data will come over here. Click OK. And look what we have here, guys. It shows we have a lot of density of elevation values around here and a low concentration on these other sides. So you could export these as a map by going to the map layout editor, select a template here, probably work with the landscape, open this. I don't want this to be to scale, but I'll randomly just work with the defaults here. But still, when you're presenting a map, you have to give a scale. So let me check this out and give it what scale here. Can I just go with the default? Let me give it a scale 1 to 1000. See how this behaves. Okay, there's my scale. These are my points. It's my legend. There's my north arrow. And you could edit these and give the map name to whatever. You can also just position these map elements where you want to. Okay, that was it for importing CSV, exporting to SHP in Global Mapper, and I'll have to close this video tutorial and see you on my next one. Bye guys.